Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Enterprise Bank account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply type in enterprisebanking.com. Now search for it. Now you'll be led to the official website of Enterprise Bank. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. Simply tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select the login method. Simply tap on the field select login method. Now you'll be able to find the options like personal online banking, business online banking, business suite online banking, jet rent management. So simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to log into your personal account, simply tap on the option personal online banking. Now tap on the option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Enterprise Bank. Over here what you have to do is enter your username and password. So simply tap on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise tap on the field of password and enter the password. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise simply enter it. Now after you enter the username and password, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Enterprise Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.